Hello everyone, welcome to Alpha Tech Motors. This is how to bypass a radio code on your vehicle. Usually when you carry out work on your vehicle that requires the battery to be disconnected, even a battery change, your vehicle's security system will lock your stereo, which will require a code to unlock it. You can find the code in your vehicle's handbook under the security or radio and stereo section. You can visit your local dealership or even check the manufacturer's website if they have a list of the radio codes for your vehicle. You can visit your local stereo installer if they have a list of radio codes for your vehicle. And if all fails, you can try these tips I'm going to share with you now. First is turn your vehicle on but do not start the engine. When the radio comes on, push the power button to turn it off. Push and hold the power button for approximately 40 to 50 minutes. And on some Ford vehicles, you can follow the above steps I've just listed and push the power button and the SIC button together simultaneously for approximately 50 minutes, and that should bypass the radio code for your vehicle. I have tried this on most vehicles from 2010 and it has proven to work. Try it on your vehicle and drop a comment below if that works for you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button and share this video so we can reach as many people as possible, and don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell icon so you never miss another video. Peace.